And like I said, they are sharp, running chainsaws. I'll show you one more time here. Those are real, folks. Ah!
Chad Taylor.
How many people think I should have gone to college?
Mad Chad Taylor. The guy famous for juggling buzzing chainsaws.
Give me one. Give me one.
How does he do it without losing life? Or best case, limb?
How many people think I should have gone to high school?
This Guinness record holder regularly performs his crazy comedy and chainsaw juggling show at colleges, corporate events, performing arts centers, and sporting events around the country, as well as television shows around the world.
3 bowling ball juggling. I'm gonna get this going quick. I can barely hold on to them. Here we go. 3 balls. That's right. Get her early and get a front row seat. Yes, indeed. Okay, here. The neck catch. Oh. Yeah, did I fool anybody? That's right. These are 100,000 volt stun guns. I attached some handles. I'm going to attempt to juggle them. Obviously, I don't want to catch the wrong end, or I'm going to be lying on the floor, twitching in a pool of my own fluids, and no one wants to see that. Let me rephrase that. I don't want to see that. There's only one trick I can do with 4 bats, and you're looking at it. There's 2 I've been working on. The first one is called Over the Back. Yeah, you should see it from here. The second trick is called Over the Back.
Inches, good. That's good. Now try to hold still. Just don't move, guys. I'm a trained professional. Okay, good. Look, Zach, look toward the audience there. Yeah, no pictures right now, if you don't mind. Zach, it's going to be me and you on Facebook tomorrow. Okay.
Chad Taylor, ladies and gentlemen.
Director for Los Angeles, Mad Chad.
Here we go. 3 100,000 volt stun guns. There we go. Thank you. This is pretty dumb with 100,000 volt stun guns. This is a little dumber. And this is really dumb.
Your 5 bats really is the most bats ever juggled by me. 5 bats. Oh, there's 1. Oh, you're all at the same time. Wow. Very sophisticated audience tonight. I'm not going to fool you. Here we go. 1, 2. Let's see if I can do this. Watch this.
Here he is, Mad Chad.
Chad Taylor. Mad Chad. Here's Chad.